So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to apply for your spousal work permit as an international student in Canada. We will cover the benefits of bringing your partner, the eligibility criteria and documents, a step-by-step application process, and expert tips for success. Hi, my name is Jason and I help international students move to Canada with videos. So I was recently approached by one of my clients who moved to Canada for the September 23 intake, and she's desperate to have a spouse join her in Canada. So as we went through the process, I thought, why not create a brief guide to help all of you make the most of your study abroad journey? So let's start by getting into the incredible benefits of bringing your partner along your journey to study in Canada. So bringing your partner to study in Canada is about much more than academics. It's about crafting an unforgettable chapter of your lives together. If these benefits resonate with you and you're eager to embark on this remarkable journey, keep watching. Now let's go deeper into the eligibility criteria and the specific documents you'll need to assemble for a successful application. Ensuring you meet the eligibility requirements is crucial for a smooth and positive application process. To begin, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So for your partner to qualify for a spousal open work permit, they must meet the following conditions. Your spouse, that's you, must be enrolled in a designated learning institution in Canada. This is a critical requirement as only certain institutions are recognized by the Canadian government for this purpose. You can find the official list of DLIs provided by the Government of Canada in the description below. The program your spouse is enrolled in should make them eligible for a postgraduate work permit. This permit allows them to work in Canada for a duration equal to the length of the study program, up to a maximum of 3 years. It's important to ensure that the chosen program aligns with the criteria set by IRCC. The relationship between you and your spouse must be genuine and not entered solely for the immigration purpose. This requirement emphasizes the importance of authenticity and truthfulness in your application. Moving on to the documents you'll need to provide as a part of your application. These documents serve as evidence to your eligibility and intention to accompany your spouse during their studies in Canada. So here's a breakdown of the key documents you'll need. A copy of your valid passport, which should clearly show your personal details and expiry date. A recent digital passport size photo of yourself adhering to the specifications provided by IRCC. If you're married or in a common law relationship, you need to provide a certified copy of your marriage certificate or proof of your common law relationship. The letter of explanation is a crucial document that outlines your reasons for accompanying your spouse to Canada and your intention to return to your home country after their study, thus emphasizing on the non-immigrant nature of your application and temporary nature of your stay. Remember, the quality and accuracy of these documents play a significant role in the assessment of your application. Make sure to double check each document, ensure they're clear and legible, and organize them properly for submission. To sum it up, meeting the eligibility criteria and providing the requirement documents are the fundamental steps in securing a spousal open work permit for Canada. By carefully fulfilling these requirements and presenting a well-prepared application, you increase your chances of a successful outcome and create a solid foundation for a new chapter in Canada. Now that you're familiar with the eligibility criteria and the required documents, let's dive into the step-by-step application process. I've broken it down into simple, manageable steps to guide you to the procedure with confidence. So begin by logging into your GCKey account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. The process is straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a secure and personalized dashboard where you can manage your application. Step 2. Navigate to the Apply to Come to Canada section within your GCKey account. This is where you'll find various application options. Select the options that corresponds to obtaining a spousal open work permit for your partner. The application will then guide you through a series of eligibility questions. Answer each question accurately and truthfully. These questions are designed to determine whether you and your partner meet the requirement for a spousal open work permit. Be sure to double check your responses to ensure accuracy. You'll need to upload all the required documents to support your application. These may include your passport, your digital photo, marriage or common law certificate, and the letter of explanation. Make sure to follow the specific guidelines for document formatting and quality to ensure a smooth review process. Now, before finalizing your application, take a moment to review all the information you provided and documents you've uploaded. Make sure everything is accurate, complete, and in the required format. You'll be prompted to pay the required application fee. This can be done typically by using a Visa or MasterCard or any other accepted payment method. Once satisfied, submit your application. Please remember to save your payment confirmation for your own record. Now officially taken the first major step towards securing a spousal open work permit. If you have any questions or concerns during this application process, don't hesitate to reach out to us for guidance. Now let's go through some expert tips that can significantly enhance your success of your spousal open work permit application. These insights are designed to help you navigate potential challenges and present a strong case to the immigration authorities. Applying for your spousal open work permit at the right time can make a huge difference. It's advisable to wait until your spouse has obtained their study permit before submitting your application. This demonstrates that your partner's primary intention is to study, reducing the likelihood of concerns about overstaying. The immigration officers are keen on assessing the authenticity of your relationship, so gather substantial evidence of your genuine partnership, including family photos, videos, joint financial documents, and any shared responsibilities. These documents provide a tangible demonstration of your commitment. The letter of explanation is your chance to tell your story. Clearly articulate your reasons for accompanying your spouse to Canada, emphasizing your commitment to returning home after their studies. Be sincere and transparent in your writing, leaving no room for doubt about your intention. Accurate and complete documentation is crucial. Ensure every required document is included and they are in a correct format. Double check your passport, your marriage certificate, and any other related papers to avoid delays or rejection. Immigration policies can change, and being aware of the latest updates is essential. While applying independently is an option, partnering with professionals who specialize in study abroad services can greatly increase your chances of success. The team stays well informed about these changes and can guide you through any adjustments you might need to make through your application strategy. Our team here at TIC has extensive experience and insights that can help you navigate through these complex situations, address any issues, and optimize your application. Remember, your spousal open work permit application is your chance to showcase your commitment to abiding by Canada's immigration laws and contributing positively to the country's academic and cultural landscape. By implementing these expert tips, you'll be well prepared to present a strong and compelling case. So if you'd like to continue this conversation and would like to start the process for your spousal open work permit, click on the link below in the description to book a consult with me. I'll see you in the next video.